everyone, and my name is Sadie, and this is ARTLIFE. Look at this artwork. I showed you how to make this beautiful picture using a texture and glitter and paint. The prince and castle and princess lives in glitter world, so everything is glitter and glitter and glitter. I wish I could go to glitter world. Glitter, glitter and glitter. I hope you like this ARTLIFE lesson. I'll show you how to draw this right now. Hi, and my name is Sadie. Today we're going to draw a princess. Let's get started. First, draw a big round and a medium head like that big. And then do two eyes, do a circle, and then a dot inside it. And then do a mouth like that. A long dress like that. And then the other side. Have to do a big triangle for the dress. And then do some arms. Some hands. Do one arm like that and the other arm. And then do it along like that. One bump, and then do another bump, and then do another bump like that, and then another bump there. See? And then legs. And then hair. Starting from there. And then there. Then do a crown, like a line on the hair, and then 3 bumps on the crown, on the line, and then put 1 line on the bumps, and then do a circle on each one. There, it's my princess. I'm gonna write my name. S-A-D-I-E. Now, I'm gonna use watercolours to add colour. Get your brush and get a cup and then fill it up with water and then open your watercolours up and then get a colour. And now I'm going to colour in the dress pink. Nice, isn't it? Very, very nice. Try staying in the lines as best as you can. I'm going to do a rainbow dress. It's going to be so beautiful. Yellow. My princess is going to have brown hair. I'm colouring in the hair brown. You can choose whatever colour you like. I'm going to do her crown yellow. You can choose whatever colour you like for the crown. I'm going to do pink. There. Look at my princess. I hope you like how it's drawn too. I'm going to do some more. Now I'm going to leave the princess to dry and draw it and show you how to draw a prince. A round head again with the eyes. Smile. Yeah. Everyone draw a rectangle. Now do 2 rectangles. I'm doing bumps for the hair. That's my prince. Now I'm going to colour it in using watercolour.
Lila, what are you doing, Lila? Are you painting the table?
Orange, orange, orange. Orange, 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 orange. Orange, 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 orange. Orange, 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 orange.
What's your picture of?
Yeah.
Of me?
Yeah.
Oh, I look beautiful.
Ta-da! Look at this. It's very pretty, isn't it? When my princess and prince is all dry, I'm going to cut them out and stick them on another piece of paper. Remember to use a permanent texture. Okay, let's get started. So, draw one rectangle like that, and then a line on it, and then a really big one in the middle, like that. And then do another one like that, and then triangles on top. I'm drawing a castle. And then do triangles on the top. See? And now do a big door on it. Art windows. Now flags on top. Like that. Ta-da! Now I'm gonna do clouds. So do a line there and then bumps like that. 3 bumps. See? I did a cloud. Look. Now, I'm gonna paint it. There. Look at my castle. Now I'm to let everything dry. The castle, the prince and princess. Hi, I love you. Hi, I love you too. Stick the princess and prince on. There. For the last detail, I'm going to use some glitter. You see the sparkles? Let's get started. Get some glitter on your brush and then paint it on your paper, on your princess. Oh, in this picture I'll do everything glittery. She lives in Glitter World. Well, guess what? This princess lives in Glitter World. Mom, I wish we could go to Glitter World. Look everyone, look at my beautiful princess and castle picture. It's so beautiful, isn't it? Tell me what your favourite bit of it is. It's as simple as that. Thanks for joining me today. See you next time. Let me know in the comments below what you want me to teach you next time. Like and subscribe.